How to download music from YouTube audio library on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Once you're here, go to the search bar and type in YouTube audio library. From the search results, find and tap on the official YouTube link as shown to proceed. Now, a pop-up will appear and here, select Chrome to be redirected to the YouTube studio. The audio library offers a vast collection of high-quality, royalty-free music and sound effects for creators. You can browse through the list of tracks or use the search and filter options to find specific music. Once you find a track you like, tap on the track. A download button will appear. Tap on it to begin the download process. A Save In dialog will pop up at the bottom of the screen. Select your desired save location, such as the Files app, and then tap Save to confirm. The music file will then be downloaded and saved to your iPhone. Following these steps, you can easily download music from the YouTube audio library on an iPhone.